You thought chapter 13 was over, didn't you? But no, there's another page. I forgot. So here we are with the second page of chapter 13, which is more irregular verbs. Jairi me, jairi tu, jairi she, jairi amar, jairi shiv, jairi she. It doesn't seem too bad. Ni me, I washed myself, or I washed, and so forth. And lay me, this is the past tense of layim, right? Lay me, lay tu. These are not really too difficult. You just have to learn the spelling. But then we get a couple of irregular ones. Dort me, I said. Hui me, I went. Rinja me, I did or made. And Hanig me, I came. All right, don't mix that up with other things. And then we can use these in time sentences. Jairig me, I got up. Jairig me, Jairi, or Jairig if you want to go Munster on it. Jairi me a Shachtaklog inye, yesterday. Jairi tu Shachtaklog inye, and so forth. And they give you these things to practice with. So that's the rest of chapter 13.